TSK, a world-class valve manufacturer dominating the world's high-end valve market, creates infinite value with an international perspective. This world-class title is not an honor attainable by everyone. Only the best business can achieve this pride. TSK is committed to technical development of high-end valves, inheriting manufacturing technology and equipment from Japan, and through continuous absorption and innovation. TSK has developed core valve products with independent IPRs. TSK valves, which are widely recognized in Chinese market, are selling well across the world with the same excellent quality. TSK has entered into strategic partnering relations with a number of international and domestic corporations. TSK develops and supplies valve products with different technical solutions for pipeline transport of petroleum, petrochemical, gas, coal chemical, refining, and thermal heat system to achieve product differentiation, an advantage that is incomparable in the same industry. TSK, a brand available to the world, is committed to technological innovation, developing valve products in line with global standards. TSK implements strict quality control of all products, manufacturing and providing the most perfect valves with an artisan soul of creating genuine masterpiece. TSK, as a global manufacturing enterprise, has the original production and testing capabilities. Through global layout, TSK can quickly meet the market demand across the world and provide customer-based quality services. TSK is geared towards providing the global market with high-end products, including fully welded ball valves, split-body bolted ball valves, flat-gate valves, heat supply ball valves, and actuators. Incorporating the cutting-edge technology and proprietary innovation experience into each product. TSK fully welded ball valve, which was purposely developed by TSK for pipeline, is a technical breakthrough of traditional welded valve manufacturing process. It uses the world's leading single weld technique to achieve the optimal welding position, minimal welding points, and high precision workmanship, and to completely rule out the possibility of external linkage. TSK 48-inch and 56-inch 900-pound extra-large fully welded ball valves have passed 19 test items conducted by National Quality Supervision and Inspection Center of Valve Products, including 75 cycles of airflow switch test. A number of tests have also been applied to 20-inch valves, including external load bending, compression, tensile, and seismic tests, air blow test, dirt blow test, sand abrasion test with different particle sizes, low temperature simulation test, and 5,000 cycle life test, which after the completion of the test still maintains zero leakage. In a technical appraisal conducted by China General Machinery Industry Association, CGMA, of the prototypes of 48-inch 900-pound and 56-inch 900-pound fully welded ball valves, the appraisal certificates granted state that TSK fully welded ball valves comply with PetroChina's technical conditions, test program, and relevant standards and requirements, and have reached the advanced level of similar foreign products. Through continuous challenges and innovations, TSK has grown into a good brand to the world, winning customers' trust with reliable quality, timely delivery, and competitive price. TSK is committed to creating value for customers, improving operational efficiency, reducing cost, safeguarding life and safety, and assuming social responsibility actively. TSK, a trustworthy company, always aims at world-class technology and quality, and takes customer satisfaction as the highest value. Marching, progressing, and going beyond, TSK quality geared and vibrant.